Hello my DMBz squad, welcome back to my channel. So tonight I'm having Hungry Jacks, aka Burger King for America. It's not called Burger King in Australia because the name was already registered business trademark. So that's why they had to change the name here in Australia. Just a bit of useless information. I got a Coke Zero. Small, of course, and I got a flame grilled junior Whopper with cheese. I got beetroot, bacon and egg added onto it. Oh wow, that's beautiful looking. It's funny. Looks huge. Seriously, go away, flies. First meal of the day. I did eat the chips already, I do say. I ate them with my carer. Dripping in that delicious sauce. Pickles, yum. Nuh-uh, puss. Nuh-uh. You've had your dinner, I fed you. I've eaten half a junior Whopper, you guys. Hit a wall. Come on. Carbs, protein. You've even got onion for bad breath. No kids tonight, you guys. My husband, my kids decided they wanted to go to their dad's place. And so they all packed up and went to his house. He's my carer, so he comes here daily. My permanent carer sort of thing. So he's an essential worker, so. You know what? I really do miss eating Macca's. But Hungry Jacks has come through for me. Because I found a burger there that I can actually eat. So as long as I've got the mix that it's not too dry. Yummy. Bit of eggshell. the rattling in the background, it's my dryer. Seriously, dude. You're not gonna have a problem if you don't stop flying around, interrupting my video. I don't know if you talk to flies. I talk to every animal. I've eaten a whole small chips and a whole junior Whopper. I'm pretty proud of myself right now. Yes, I feel slightly ill. Obviously very full. Oh. Oh, my ice is melted. Need to let it get a little bit more flat. Alright guys, look at that. After you see that from me. Awesome. Alright guys, please take care of one another, look after one another, be kind to one another, and as always, look after your health. Until next time, see you later. Also, please, if you haven't subscribed already, please do so. I could really do with the support. And I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please make sure you press the thumbs up. And join me on Instagram or... yeah. Anyway, I'll see you soon. Okay, bye.